Hi, my name is Madeline Schneider. I'm a junior from Orange County, California, double majoring in business analytics and finance with the collateral and marketing.
And my name is Dominic LeBlanc. I'm a junior here at UT with a major in accounting and a collateral in finance, and I'm from St. Charles, Illinois.
And right now we are in the Haslam Business Building, which is one of the many buildings that you may take classes in. My favorite building is, of course, the Haslam Business Building because of how collaborative the classroom spaces are, just because of how they're laid out, and all of the study spaces around this building, just to sit down, study, have a snack, hang out with friends, anything like that. What about you, Don?
Although Haslam is also my home, one of my favorite academic buildings on campus is actually Ayers Hall. It's just iconic, lots of really cool tradition. And the inside, it's modern, but still has a lot of the kind of the older feel from the days in which it was built. So I really appreciate that aspect of it.
In addition to Haslam and Ayers, you may also take classes in the state-of-the-art Xena Engineering Complex or the Natalie L. Haslam Music Center. Your classrooms will look different depending on your course and your program. You may have classes in auditorium and lecture hall settings, as well as many smaller size classrooms. Our buildings offer some really cool learning spaces outside of traditional classrooms as well. Nursing students have access to simulation learning spaces, where they can practice skills like physical assessment and clinical care. The Tickle College of Engineering is home to several research centers, where students have the opportunity to work alongside industry partners. And theater students can act alongside professionals at the Clarence Brown Theater and perform on the same stages as famous alumni once did. Our journalism students practice their broadcasting skills in the College of Communication and Information's TV studio, equipped with industry standard equipment like cameras, monitors, lights, and a news desk. On campus, we also have the McClung Museum of Natural History and Culture, where students have opportunities to intern and serve on its student advisory board. UT has 4 veterinary hospitals where vet med students help serve thousands of pet owners and farmers. Students learn everything from aquatic therapy to care in equine surgery.
Thanks for joining us on this part of the tour. Make sure to check out our other videos just to get another glimpse of what life looks like here on Rocky Top.
We hope to see you here in person soon.
Go Vols!